Hello students, we are in the numerical of mergers and acquisition. This is the second numerical of this type. In this, White Limited agreed to acquire the business of Green Limited. As on 31st March, a summarized balance sheet of Green Limited is given. Okay, well, in this numerical, the acquiring company is White Limited and the target company is Green Limited, and the balance sheet of Green Limited, that means the balance sheet of target company, is given. Okay, so these are the liabilities and assets, and it's a pretty big numerical, pretty big question. In this, the consideration payable by White Limited agreed is as follows. Okay, if you remember in the previous numerical, we didn't had to calculate the consideration. It was a lump sum decision. Okay, a lump sum amount was paid to the target company. In this, we need to calculate the consideration. We need to calculate the amount in which that amount which the acquiring company will be paying to the target company. Okay, so for calculation of consideration and all the other things, the question is given. Okay, first is the cash payment equivalent to 2.5 for covering 10 shares rupees 10 shares in Green Limited. Okay, this means 2.5 rupees will be paid for every one share of Green Limited. Okay, so how many shares Green Limited has? We have share capital of 6 lakhs rupees, fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each. That means 6 lakhs divided by 10, so we will get 60,000 as the total equity shares in Green Limited. So 60,000 shares, for every one share 2.5 rupees will be paid. So the first point in the purchase consideration will be 60,000 into 2.5. Okay, so we'll do it later on. Then the second point says issue of 90,000 shares of 10 rupees 10 equity shares fully paid in White Limited at an agreed value of rupees 15 per share. Okay, so along with this 2.5 into 60,000, that amount, along with that, White Limited is also offering additional shares, 90,000 additional shares of White Limited to Green Limited shareholders, and at a premium of rupees 5, so it will be rupees 15 per share. So the shareholders of target company, the shareholders of Green Limited, will be getting two things in consideration. Okay, first is they will be getting the cash payment, and second, they will be getting additional shares of White Limited. Okay, so these two things are very important for the purchase consideration. Later on, it is told that White Limited agreed to discharge 12% debentures of Green Limited at a premium of 20% by allotment of 14% debentures. That means the debentures of Green Limited is 12% at rupees, and the amount is 1 lakh rupees. So they will be, the White Limited will be giving the debenture holders of Green Limited a 20% premium on this 1 lakh. Okay, so it will be 20,000, so the total amount of debentures will be 1,20,000, and they are giving at a 14% debenture, so the interest rate they are increasing. Okay, next is while computing the agreed consideration, the directors of the White Limited valued the following assets like this. Okay, so presently the assets value of land and building, plant and machinery is and stock is this. Okay, so as per the calculation of Green Limited, which is there mentioned in the balance sheet, but after White Limited acquires Green Limited, this value will change in the books of account of White Limited. So White Limited will be valuing the land and building as 7,50,000. Okay, plant and machinery is 4,50,000, stock is 1,42,000. So when we will be making in the books of account of White Limited, okay, that acquiring company, this will not be taken. This is only taken in while the closing entry or the ledgers of Green Limited. Okay, so this is what it is. Then next is debtors subject to allowance of 5% to cover bad debts. Okay, so as of now the debtors is 36,000 of Green Limited, and this 36,000 will be subject to allowance of 5%. So White Limited is assuming that some bad debts will occur which will amount to 5% of this. 5% of 36,000. So that will also be taken care by White Limited. And the last point is cost of liquidation of Green Limited came to 5,000, which was to be borne by White Limited. Okay, so for the liquidation of the assets and liabilities, whatever work is being carried out in the end by Green Limited, that work, the cost of that work amounted to 5,000 rupees. So that 5,000 rupees will also be taken care by White Limited. So White Limited will also be paying this 5,000 rupees. Okay, so and finally, we have been told to calculate leisure account to close books of Green Limited. Okay, so we'll be making leisure to close the book, leisures to close the book of Green Limited, and in this we have been told to do opening entries in the books of White Limited. So we'll be preparing the opening entries in the books of White Limited. In the previous sum we did both of target company. We had did closing entries of the target company. In this we need to make opening entries in the acquiring company, which is White Limited. Okay, so let's begin with the solution. Well, to begin with the solution, first we will calculate the purchase consideration. Okay, so the amount or the benefit or the consideration which will be paid by the which will be paid by the acquiring company to the target company. Okay, so in this there are two things, two type of consideration, two ways of consideration in which the acquiring company was offering the target company. First was the cash payment. Okay, next was issue of 90,000 shares of White Limited. Okay, so two ways in which the consideration is being realized. Now, well, this method is called as a net payment method. Earlier, in the earlier sum we have did with lump sum method. Okay, so in this method, first was in cash. Okay, as per the question, it was 2.5 rupees for every 10 rupee share. Okay, so for every share of Green Limited, White Limited was offering 2.5 rupees. So how many shares was there? Okay, we had a share capital of 6 lakhs rupees and 10 rupees fully paid equity share. So using this, 6 lakhs divided by 10 into 2.5, okay, it will be 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 cash will be paid by White Limited to Green Limited. Okay, next is in equity capital of okay, now next is in equity capital. Okay, so in this what it was offering, the White Limited the White Limited was offering 90,000 shares at rupees 15, which was premium. Okay, and the share amount is 10 rupees and it was offering at a premium of rupees 5. So the equity capital will be 90,000 into 15 rupees, will be 13,50,000. Okay, so in cash it is paying 1,50,000 and in the terms of shares it is the cost of issuing that shares is 13,50,000. So total purchase consideration which the Green Limited shareholders will receive is the 1,50,000 plus 13,50,000. It will be 15 lakhs. Okay, so this is the total purchase consideration which the Green Limited company will be getting. And how it has been discharged, the cash which has been paid is rupees 1,50,000. Okay, equity share, 90,000 equity shares will be issued, but the equity share is rupees 10 per share. So this will be amount to 9 lakhs. And then the premium which has been offered, okay, it was offered at 15 rupees. So 10 rupees was the cost initially, 5 rupees is the premium. Okay, so this is how the purchase consideration has been discharged. It is just for how the discharge is happening for the purchase consideration, not much important for the ledger entries or for the further sums. Okay, so this is how we got purchase consideration, 15 lakhs. Okay, in this case, now we will start with our leisure account in the book of Green Limited. Okay, remember we have been told to calculate two things: leisure account to close the book of Green Limited and opening entries. or the journal entries in the book of White Limited. Okay, so first, the most important account is the realization account. Okay, if you remember, in realization account, all the assets will be transferred to the debit side of realization account, and all the realizable liabilities will be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. So all these assets are there till here. Okay, all these assets are being transferred, and the liabilities, two liabilities which were there to be transferred. Okay, another one in the liability side, it was share capital, PNL, debentures and creditors. So as we have said earlier, share capital, general reserve and PNL will not come in the credit side, only the debtors and creditors will come. Along with this, the purchase consideration by White Limited, okay, that will come. So if we do the calculation, the balancing figure will come here, which is 6,20,000. Okay, so this is a kind of a profit for the Green Limited shareholders. So this is what we have got in the realization account. And next we'll go on making different ledgers starting from here. Okay, so White Limited, to realization account 15 lakhs credited, and the on the debit side, and the credit side is by cash this much and by equity shares this much. Okay, and next by equity shares in White Limited, so White Limited this much and the equity shareholders this much, and along with this and this shares we have also issued a cash. So White Limited cash is 1,50,000. So to White Limited and to the shareholders. So shareholders are getting this much in this amount, and then finally shareholders account will make by cash this much, by equity shares this much, and the share capital which the Green Limited shareholders had is 6 lakhs, general reserve this much, PNL this much, and the balancing figure by realization account is 6,20,000. Okay, so here we have got this 6,50,000. Okay, so this is in the terms of profit. So this is how we have done with the ledger entries of Green Limited. Okay, next we need to write down the opening entries of White Limited. Okay, so let's begin with that. Okay, students, in this now opening entries in the books of White Limited. Well, in opening entries, first thing it will come by purchase account 15 lakhs to liquidator of Green Limited 15 lakhs being business purchased. Okay, in this 15 lakhs, the total amount which the purchase consideration we have calculated, that 15 lakhs total amount will be given to the liquidator of Green. The liquidator is the responsible person who is taking care of all the liquidation process of Green Limited company. Okay, so 15 lakh will be debited to him. Okay, okay. Then a second point is land and building, plant and machinery and stocks will be debited, and to bad debts and all this will be credited. Okay, the figure of land and building which we had in the question will not be same, because as in the question it was mentioned that the fourth point, it was mentioned while computing the agreed consideration, the directors of White Limited valued the following assets at following values. So this is the revaluation they have done of these assets which were there initially. Okay, so this new values will be used because we are writing the opening entries of the acquired company. Okay, the acquiring company, which is White Limited, which has purchased the Green Limited assets. Okay, so the new assets will be according to that new amount which the directors have been decided. So land and building will be 7,50,000, plant and machinery will be 4,50,000, stock will be 1,42,000. Okay, and debtors and cash will remain same. Okay, and goodwill I have left it. Okay, this all will be debited and to this accounts. Okay, bad debts of 5%, 5% of 36,000, as in the question it was mentioned. Okay, the debtors are subject to allowance of 5% to cover the bad debts. Okay, so debtors is 36,000. So in this we have written debtors as 36,000. So the bad debts of the debtors, which is 5% of 36, 1,800, and to 12% debentures account, Okay, that is as it is. We have written 1 lakh plus 20,000 we have added as there is a premium. Okay, as it was said in the third point, White Limited agreed to discharge 12% debentures of Green Limited at a premium of 20%. Okay, so 20% of 1 lakh we have done, so which is 20,000. So it is 1,20,000 debentures. To creditors account 20,000. Okay, this remains unchanged. To business purchase 15 lakhs. Okay, so as while doing addition of this and this, we get a difference amount of somewhere 2,07,800. So that is the goodwill which has been paid by the White Limited to Green Limited. So now goodwill is changed, and we will write it by this sum of this minus sum of this. So we'll get a difference amount of goodwill. So we'll be writing here a goodwill of 2,07,800. So this is the all the liabilities and assets, how they will be absorbed in the White Limited. Okay, then this was only the thing which you will find a doubt. Okay. Okay, next thing is by liquidator of Green 15 lakhs, how it has been distributed. Okay, to cash 1,50,000 we have calculated, to equity shares which has been issued, new equity shares issued by the White Limited White Limited company to the Green Limited shareholders. Okay, this is 9 lakhs. To share premium which has been paid for those issue of 90,000 shares is 4,50,000. Okay, so this is how the purchase consideration was paid. And next is by goodwill account 5,000. Okay, so this how this 5,000 came. Okay, so it is a kind of a cost of liquidation of Green Limited came to 5,000, which was borne by the White Limited. So this 5,000 will also be accounted, okay, from the sixth point, cost of liquidation. Okay, so this is how we got additional goodwill, okay, from here. And then fifth point is by debentures of 1 lakh and by premium debited 20,000 to 14% debentures which will be new issued to the Green Limited shareholder debenture holders is 1,20,000, which we have written down here. Yeah, here. Okay, so this was about the opening entries of White Limited. Okay, that's it. Thank you.